There is only bread again this morning. It is okay. I can still eat this. Hi, Lucy. Good morning. Hi, Mia. Good morning. You look tired today, Lucy. I am okay. Just a little tired. Ben looks sad again this morning. He always looks hungry to me.
Good morning, class. Please sit down.
Good morning, teacher.
Ben, are you feeling okay today?
Yes, teacher. I am okay. He does not look okay at all. Maybe he forgot how to eat. That is mean, Olivia. Stop it. Stop it. I was joking. Relax.
Next student, please. Come forward.
The food smells good today. Yes, it smells really good. Randy. I hope no one asks me today.
Ben, come here, sweetheart.
I forgot my lunch card.
That happens sometimes, dear. That happens sometimes, dear.
I can go sit down instead.
No, you need to eat first.
This tray is really for me?
Yes. Sit down and eat.
She gave him food without questions. That is strange to me. Thank you so much, Mrs. Clara. No. Mrs. Clara is very kind to him. I think he was really hungry. I want to see if it happens again.
Come here, dear. Do not worry.
I do not have enough money today.
Then today is a lucky day for you.
She did it again for someone else. She is helping hungry kids at school.
Mrs. Clara has a very big heart.
Yeah? Does she always do that for them?
Hey. She notices what others miss every day.
Some kids come to school hungry. Sometimes I do too. I am okay today. Do not worry. Why are there extra sandwiches there?
Some children need a little more food.
That is not fair to everyone else. The lunch lady gives free food to poor kids. That sounds cruel when you say it like that. She is helping people, not hurting them. Maybe she is breaking the school rules. Please stop talking about me like that. It is okay, Ben. We are here.
What is going on in here?
I think Mrs. Clara is giving away school food.
That is a serious thing to say. Though I knew.
Mrs. Clara only helps hungry children. So it is true after all. I did not want any trouble from this.
No more talking about this right now.
Mrs. Clara, I heard a complaint today.
Yes, I gave I gave food to hungry children.
Hey, Matt.
V, why did you not tell anyone first?
Because children should not feel shame when hungry. I was a hungry child once too.
I did not know. I did not know that before.
The school lunch lady once fed me when I had nothing.
And now you are doing the same for others.
wanted no child to feel alone here.
Today we will talk about kindness at school. Hunger is not something to laugh at.
Sometimes I came to school with no lunch. Sometimes I did too. I did not understand what that felt like.
Asking for food should never feel shameful.
From today, this school will have a quiet help program.
That means no one has to hide anymore. Never. I was wrong. I am sorry.
No child should learn on an empty stomach.